Obi wo ho kwa na oye ade a wo kan enim a ofu se bia wo mpe like wo mpe na but onim se wo mo na open yi na de yen yankra wo mu se o ma me no support ko enti wa ji obaba ko mo abofo
nana ma wo de fia he
the pastor me wo 49
39 na 49 years 49 onu ni wo ba
the pastor there be
enti onu na otoso ahen about life
oh my pastor it's like me one ba wo papa is free.
Oh, you are a widow?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, sorry. That's
but
okay.
But the me Jawa.
No me Jawa, dear. Okay. And for 9 solid years, Papa at your age, only respect the mount. Sweetheart, yes, say, and you'll be an hour, dear man. And you'll be an your divorce. And a betting me, yes, or best, I worry you. About what I say. Aha. Ebi no for say when you do. Ebi so for say when you channel. And I say, I don't know his age and you are 49. No, I didn't fear him.
Like, yeah, age group.
We are age group. Sweetheart.
We take advantage of her.
Yes. Or take advantage of you. Enti me pastor. Nana Ame. Like I tell others, you know, you are my sister. So I'll say it at a test. Upa put me soon. For all these 9 years. So si can I go in the hole, Upa ye and no one can start to say, self check. For 9 years that this man came into my life, what are the good things? In terms of developing myself, any check. Now also check it. She say, I ain't never wow, and I ain't Eddie Winya, if you're Satan when you said when you're won't take as soon as but and now when you're that empowerment, Yanko Pabua, now my first call so it's me a bemi. Upa check it here. Once I will check it, I need so naturally no. Once unkata when you're not Niswana Casaba, oh, we are Bonyamison Paye, and you get a man who will adore you. The American hotels here for the 9 years, man and co. Oh, no, whatever one wow. What must say, but who name say, or by wow, Tino. Make us say wear your dress, so it goes to my widowers, and they cut across all age. Sometimes one time I say, because I did me say, Bisawa, only one da so many times. I'm on so many promises. 1 year lucky cry. If you know why I bought you 1 or 2. But send me in our own kai.
I didn't teach the quarantine and I was more or maintaining this man. Why is he still with this?
So we hope and say, Baye. Oh, she's 49 now.
We should find out from her. Be a baby or near Jumana.
She works.
Also
a fiso. It's in Anama. Let us, you know, if you are one already place the amount. And answer we see kind of one about dear. Why we do Sane be not Yapadian Siho about the DB Kama and all sample. You can call back into the show Nanama. Hello, Michael.
Hello, Mama.
Me da say, now Michael, I've revealed. What say? Sunyane, me da say, yo yeti okasa.
Mama, blue. Papa.
Manemra, Muntia de Waha.
Maybe I told me no.
Well, I need your passion, you and ye kakra.
Mama, by say,
eh, good.
I said,
why then?
But me or baby net.
When your baby net say,
if I saw,
oh, yeah, what's the star now, aunt?
If I saw, I'm a girlfriend.
Well, girlfriend, and I won't in it say.
But
Cosway.
But I said, me never have it a car. No, my con.
So, when married my boy?
If I saw,
yo, and see, Umia when it's you. Listen to yourself. What banner won yan and what dear no? What dada no so by you now in the day we are. Now, for any who you are called of you.
I said, before I ever have it,
the line in oh. Jenny Kakra. Oh, by breast and son, on another dame bois. And to Umia when Nina won in the day we are. Now, for the one you are called of you, Minion Mamuntie. Remember, even something new. Hey! So, I mean, sometimes, or bet me as I've been, you swat to atoto me enti e ba saa no a na lines ni munye that clear
and omia nani one ne da say omia nani say oba no na mpene so one ne be da na omia nani say ne ho enta ma ne be man timi sori no ntino ne da na say omia nani no omia nani okwan ben so
o che say difficult oba de ma ne bre na one ne da wi a afela ne ho nya na akọ no bi
say onya ne ho ade enti wa hu say adufudi pepper na wo ye oba no nya de a wo be wa wo pese uni ne saa udi na ne ho afro cha sa wo no enti die na na hia enti mesraw jano no nko pe obi a ono de obe ware na nsa no adi because ani oni ni udi na ne ho afro cha sa wo mpe no odi ne eyi na kono keke
den
ma muntie o enti ne ese mo nsha mo dross ya ye kan you wo yusu sa no agya weso akwasa mami a okunafue obema no na oba ne feel say bi obeboa ahwe ne ma no enso o yusu is 9 good years why waste you whole time for nothing when ya hwe feel abusia fofo sa wo ma enti onko ware obi fufuro a fresh na one ne nwo ye tumu fu
ma utimi betimi afra bi because bia na enye be ma the fault say this type bi na attitudinal behavior and certain things yenim say bia woni ne wo hoi or feel ana bibi ana the burden has been too much and I say maybe akasa so you know let's see what happens or back e be me reverend na person can be
ahema abrante minyane age anka mepe
they also odi oba nwana ne ho afọ
ebi wo ho so omo ye so young sa ye nyina yesusa no na especially ye no ma ye bring it from Christian home no say when our colleagues are talking about sex they make it sound as if say esi chire ne ewo bi wo
me da say
enti ohoka ye na enu ani ubensa na atine no so ebi e no sa na eye no ebi so ana oba no ebi a senya sa na eye no dia ebi a na oba no sunsum edi nechi no so
Reverend Kondua
meba me ke besi asem so I'm not talking of sunsum money ebi a sunsum papa bi eta nechi a empe bone enti nia oye no oba na kra empe enti ebasa wankasa kra na okuma ento woyem ebi so ho a na eyesunsum bone ankasa
aware no
I mean spiritual marriage from the side of the lady or we ankasa kura na side
abrantie no
ebi kura on pene so say that spirit in pene so say ebekoso but when you name no ese so no ene obani na nka omode nyamesuro edisi omu ani so no mo dem paebo no mo twe omo ho firi dwamambo ho na saade no efiri ho no mutumi nya omo ho kwan se ombe study omo ho no mo eye okay ma won a omo further into marriage but then the question is edi enti na wakofa obi abaya aba betena won chen se mempre no won ne te na won ne da I mean
ne ho afono
there be hwe minim how you are taking this but mimi famode any baby a yetete me free there a very serious matter and abrante bia wakofo bi baba abeto dem no wo ye no because emra kwa asompo obi wuda mu a emfa ho sanya wo na wuku no wo wasam kase bo na po ansa betimi ayi wo ho anopa amanetimi adedi mpo se enya wo na wo hye da se wakum nipa no
no afam
na wa hwekura de utikura akọ until you should be very, very careful. Obi a won ware no, manam paka no noma, no nko na nkrofo fi. Oni baby da nko owebusia, na busuafo mpe baby manana.
Na me ba ye na me nya baby na ena o kan se me jo se ha afi adesan na o tata me hu de me nya me ntimi ntie me feri o se ebi nkwa timi se o kan asem ofre a na ahomachi be 3 am and also ne mbeda me kan say me mpren no yi me niama si abontin say me ko enti Sister Kuma wonya baby a me atena dia
me no ka say watchina papa bi a wono oba tena wo miensa wa anya oba ne ho ade na oba na wu abusuafo se wonye oba no wedding
obeye
ansa na wa omo kosiasa omo pre obeye ochena samu na mi obeye what otiase wantimi ankoye ne ho ade wo minisika ena chọọchị but owu ya ya say ya wedding there obeye
ochena kasa branch wonhwe ne ho yie pa sasem ya ka no ha nso pen bebre a very very serious matter na ya mamu fa no ma bi ni agoro ye ka na wadwen ba yo say bi a yedidi ama bi ni aba betena de ka de ye de but the bottom line is ye mu bi mu de ye hunu ne ye tie ne ye nkasa ya famu no ye yi mu ankabo so mamu famu bi enti na ye a na say ye pese ye kyerɛkyerɛ mo kwan ama mutumi fa so ma ne ye yi enti sammere wo ya abaya wo do bi de me kam matiase na boys na aba no mu nyina ania brisika wo do boy bi de mu na onware wo no ewura hwe ne yie
odutu
no oni ne mu so na de o de kwakoye
hwe ne yie o
na mo fu se sakawa na eko
hwe ne yie maka no ase wo ho hwe ne yie
sakawa na enkoye there are other rituals there are other occultism on yeah sister just until they da ho hwe de bia hwe
ehu
na me say
Nancy aware fe ya started bomb pie bi Nancy sa wo de wani atofo a nkrofo ware a young people any 1 year ebi 1 year papa no mo ewu
that's the brutal bibi
3 a month 3 months no mo wu by heart I mean Nancy to so Nancy nti yenso de esie no so abọ ho mpaya dodo na no wo di sika ni bre akọhye baby a ensesa mo hya afebu bewie no na ensansa say tom so na tom so afa ewura ebi anka wo beye ebusua ne daache abranti ebi anka wo beye ebusua ne daache wakwa kofo baby ebi asunsun bone bi edi nechi na wafa kwan paso no what's our life
dog me pa choma me a minute pe o ha no eja wa wie me pa cho se me sre me nua ma mo hwe me domo se mo ma me ni mo nua dia ba ne se social media especially messenger and WhatsApp say you video call honomo say obema ne ya oh friend no so I love you oba obi opaware ofo so be ware no one ne be chat for some time I feel was a friend me no afro message video so was you home at me na oba besia we yi ne ho nyina no wadanda ne ho na sabe wo fetire na se na de na wo de asende mesra wo minia ba mesra de wa yakos na ye mu ani mra ho so na jai no obroni no se fetire ho bra wo de kwa wo ni ba bi
sometimes onye broni
oba obibi ni so se fetire ho bra no wo de asende ni fo wo ni pa hia e be hwe wo phone so ni ya du hu fo ni ya sro so fo so wanya odofo bi a wo do nakedness akọ man e bi obeware mesra wo dada wo twaso na wo nware o
asema wo
okay
so we can still be discussing
we those
okay obetimi afra we are picking the calls again 0302211701 up to 704 na message screen and mini aba na najwa asaba I am so na najwa won sawom okay aba pin na nama na najwa won sawom na najwa ma kwa body board ahoma so me da say yo me da say how to say
nyamiadum na mo try
nyamiadum ye nyina ye ho ye yo ye chance one prison fo nyina wo mo e hwe ye
no mo just
that's it asem yes darling
asem barake
enya hwinya kukudro kasa men kasa
mu be blast me
blast kasa
no shaking
na so yes one song we are unya medu
me ba choka sawai
many braveness
okay
I say yeah chimpna
okay
ama ya plan say be worry me mako nebusia phone me ama me mama so ndim no
okay
na so na me go school e wa kra
okay
and I'm better na nchen I said me wo ho me hu say other girls or only other girls chimpna
okay
Mekabia or so we die, and so ya know it.
Okay.
Now say over 2 crying for some few months. Na baby okoyeno. Na me wo hana minya message a free girl be ho.
Okay.
I'll show me pictures of no guy no and no girl no in bed.
Wow.
Other pictures are sending me no girl no kasa be brave. And I then me guy no are hooked up. They are seriously hooked up in cement chimney.
Okay.
And so me the 2 guy in him. And okay tell me so only get on the big guy. Na me no permanent.
Okay.
And that's when you know me born in my money. And I never make her so me fan tenana. And some say this healthy. And to be a so okay I'm telling you Nigeria now so much that go on.
I see.
They say my young miss me me say guy no on interested in me.
Again. Okay.
He's telling me he loves me, but me the way I'm seeing things, me no be my side into me.
Okay.
Now my head be on person better.
Okay.
Person me free now so or sitting to time. Me na.
Ada watch it show.
And now so me bush for no more enough. Me so meant me. So me free up and enough no me go. Me to stone now so me tell me school.
Na etu ko school ni nwie.
But you say.
Unwie school no.
Daddy.
School be na woko. School be na woko.
Me quite PMC.
Oh, I see.
Na o ma me wa he.
Or some more enough. Me ba cho one relationship for how long?
Yes, 7 years to 8 years.
And to what to say our from boa.
But
okay. And to unu aduane ma ni di, wo si ni niama, o ma woda, o ne woda, papa. Nyi se ne ba so na o si ko yigu mboa.
But I didn't say I lied to him some time ago. Me said that's putting it to test, sending him. Me can't ask him. You me can't. So on no ready to obey. Okay.
All right. But when you send that on.
May you once.
Where you once pay. Yo.
And to say no, so who castle be through her, who baby are betting me aqua.
And no, say your corn off, no new school, no so. So you're ready.
Hostel now a crack.
And see, school now, or not, or school fees my own.
Daddy, but your man and me,
and it's established on one casa girl project to me. On packing on my uncle.
Very moderate hostel. I know it's me, Ajay.
Obets me in the bush of one. On in a bush of one.
You are just wasting your time, my sister.
Yeah, on in a bush of one. No moon to me pay the bigger crab mano. Na on pair single room be na hostel be a me name how many semesters they are the people that pays that helps to pay for
the
education into all they can be able to find something now me name how many semesters she's left with but then obet me at the now me name abrantie ne su anyhow the person can react obi oha okura abusive attitude it is a boy no nim okura that attitude okura abusive attitude or threatener my advice is said they your person or parking normal no unreported to the nearest police station na police man escort no fan kwase sa no normal free ho no fan ko
you soon
as simple as
so important
very important sa de no eya ma ya mamu fa no agroso nimpa no wonya yesa me pakem no wo kwa maye wo say don't take it lightly
but
obetimi aye obane gwanya wo ho na akora na obetimi atraka wo aye obane immediately report to the nearest police station make a statement omomba ma escort wakot sesa wo normal then you take your things away
no so ma wonko
na me moboni areho se wo abaya ti se de we so tie wonim se obi boyfriend so now who or no boyfriend who need the whole naked etwa nude pictures e dey send the girlfriend no
ohime what the abrantia na nkasa ka show ba foforo no
nude pictures ma mu ntwa fan send on tie no
widows conference no make us asem wo ho say me edwuma ye nti ye hia hwɛ videos ni ade omo mamo ye no mamo ntie omo nya ne kaka wo phone so omo ton omo ton wo internet ye wo site wo ho omo ko ton wo ho enti wo feel say when your boy bi mo so ofiri ehehe ofiri Italy ofiri ehehe o hye makola he yara and wo chicha ma wo wi a omo site ya o de be send wo ho na every obi obehwe bia no pay onye huska onam ho na kase wo sika he no de abre onam ho no oje dollars edi
no anu su bu
amonte no
Isaka
Salam
alaikum Isaka
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuh.
Ami. Na go day. Yo, na Isaka frefi hipa.
Salifu nya Isaka.
Salifu frefi hipa.
Nikasa free apa is pusiga.
Hey, apa is putuga pa. Yo, pusiga, yo. Ya dase yetie.
Men pata me problem is ma hu get dem pesa me wara no.
Ewo pusiga o. Okay.
But me get the parents no problem. They say get me a Christian and me a Muslim. And the Akan, Oman say, a judge is a me Christian. And I'm say, I said, by Christianity, Ujanka, may again, was not on one part or a number of my area. I am a Muslim. But I wish upon my car, I wish upon so much.
I want to say so that.
So don't go.
Because I want to say, Auntie Isaka.
Don't go.
Hey, and I Salifu. But you didn't hear.
Hello.
But I was Salifu. Me pacho nankuli. Ebusuane so we a Christian. One person on by mingle with any Muslim. Me pacho. Yes. In good faith. Kajiko.
Okay, Naji.
To nankuli. Why? Me pacho. Some Christians go home back as a yashi. Me banner on kononko tuba. If you see the omon pekra, enti oma ye open to you say yem pesa de noa. Misrel. Udia koswaye ala wakobar. Obeyi oba amount. Kajiko?
Naji mara.
Na good. Ebusiane ka so omon pa.
That's all.
No mompe. Na omompe. Yo, yebeko so afa course no. Pa. Diamonds say professional mama. But that's a diamonds. Mickey say beautiful Akuma. Mama Zimbi 100%. A salute. Yeah. But I say, yeah. I see my Instagram page. Bring up your comments and issue Samuti. You can bring your contributions. Na me ready. I'm gonna say, come on, I mean that grocer ventures. I say, what's on the book? You know, where my left control and tell you, and I say, I want you to cry. May me shoulder and I cry. Oh, grocer ventures. What's on the book? I'm where is simple. What simple? What castle is sad? Or no, my materials. Do mas name to man omusu ankasa. I would that come on. Me didn't never bet to open be simple casual wedding engagement. I sorry be grocer ventures so I am say me that say yo me do or say krobe hona Razak Razak salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
To yayi na go day Razak boom yo
me problem is my wife for complaining say I don't make her feel good on bed.
Oh really?
Yeah.
In what way?
What does she really want?
She said I do come early and I want a medication for it.
Oh, you do come early.
Yeah.
And you've waited till I come on the show before you take control of yourself. You can go to the hospital, go and see doctor, and then he will certainly prescribe beautiful drugs for you. All right?
But I don't know any drugs that can
go to the doctor.
I said go and see the doctor. Go and see your doctor.
No problem.
Beautiful. So now go there.
Your bow show you crass or more. Your bow show you.
Oh gosh.